Alright, let's go for a finalizing and sharpening the image. So, right now we have done the neon effect, but I can see there are some hair here and we have to get rid of them. I'm just going to click on polygon lasso tool, just come here, select these areas, and that's all. Right click, feather 10%. We have to select the liquify, press S, and for clone stamp tool I'm just gonna clone these areas. Alright, Command Control D. Let's go back to neon effect, Command Control 0. Click on the neon effect and go to adjustment layer, click on selective color. On selective color, let's come to red a bit, make the cyan to the left, we increase the red part and the yellow part for make it more like pinkish. Let's go to black and let's go to the right side a bit to make sure the images pop, and the yellow. We're just gonna bring this left a bit. Nice. Cyan. I'm just gonna play around with it until I get a perfect color match. Let's go back to red again. Bring this down or bring this to the left. Very nice. Now press B on your keyboard and just do some pop. Just pop to pop the image. With the face, I'm just gonna bring back the quality and the sharpness. You see, this is gonna be our color match. You see, before, after. Now the color is totally matched with the image. Now let's do some sharpening. How we do it? Create a new layer and Control Shift Alt E, right? I'm just gonna put all the image in one top layer. Cool. Now let's select the move tool first. Let's go to filter, other, and click on high pass. Make sure the high pass is a bit lower, around 3 I guess, or 2.9. Press OK and put the normal on overlay. If press Ctrl plus to zoom in, just gonna see how sharp is it gonna get. Without it, look at the eyes. How cool is that? But the thing is, we don't need this to be sharp in all of the places. We just need it to be sharp in some areas. And hold down Alt and click on this mask. So we're just going to remove the sharpening parts. Press B on your keyboard and make the brush smaller. Switch to white and just go over the eyes, over the lips, over this little area. Alright. Again, this area. Now this area, let's go back. Eyebrows. And you see, how cool is that? Maybe a bit hair. Now let's go to adjustment layer. Let's add a curve and bring up the highlight of the image a bit. Now Control Delete to fill it with mask. Press B on your keyboard and let's go inside, and we're just gonna brighten the eyes, the lips, and just some pop, guys. It's gonna be some pop in some areas for popping the image. That's all it is. Now it's time to make it ready for Instagram and social media. Alright, now it's time to make this ready for Instagram post. So how we do it? The first thing we do is we go to File, Export, and click on Export As, or the shortcut is Alt-Shift-Control-W. Now, we're just going to export this to here. Click Save. Now let's drag the image and put it in Photoshop. So we have one single image here. Press C on your keyboard. Now click on ratio. Put it on 4 by 5. Let's switch it to this angle. This is going to be much better for our Instagram. I'm just going to drag the image and bring it to the center. Or maybe this area would be nice too. The light is kind of in the center, and here we go. Now, let's make the image smaller. I'm just going to hold down Alt and make it here. Again, bit up. I'm just going to adjust it. And here is cool actually, guys. I'm just going to press OK. Now zoom in a bit. Now let's make the image pop for Instagram. Click on the adjustment layer, go to vibrance. Drag the vibrance to right a bit, and the saturation to right as well. Maybe a bit more. Alright, cool. Now press Ctrl Delete or Command Delete to fill it with black. Now press B on your keyboard, make the brush smaller. With the white brush, guys, I'm just gonna one click, like the click. I'm just gonna add some click to pop the image actually. A bit nose, a bit hair, some areas. See? Not that area, it doesn't work. I'm just gonna think and just do it 2 or 3 times until I get a perfect and pop image. Alright. This area back. The focus should be on the face. Command Control 0 to see it. How cool is that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I hope you guys learned something. And we have done a lot of work, and let's see, and let's go back to the original image and see before and after. Just come here, hold down Alt and click. This was before and this is the after. Before and after. Now it's time for you guys to go out there and create something inspiring.